Hello dear students, in this session we are going to see the polymorphism concept in C++. I am Jennifer Sharon Sumati, Department of Commerce with CE. Polymorphism. What is polymorphism? The term polymorphism is the combination of poly and morphism, which means it takes many forms. It is from the Greek word. Poly means many, morph means form. So polymorphism means it takes different form. I can give you a real life example of polymorphism. We can take a person who at the same time can have different characteristics. A woman at the same time is a mother, a wife, a daughter and an employee. Here a woman is having a different role in the character. Likewise, polymorphism, it takes a different form. The types of polymorphism are compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Example for compile time polymorphisms are function overloading and operator overloading. Virtual function is an example for runtime polymorphism. In this session, we are going to see the function overloading concept with example program. What is compile time polymorphism? This type of polymorphism is achieved by function overloading and operator overloading. Function overloading. What is function overloading? When there are multiple functions with the same name but different parameter, then that function is said to be overloaded. Hence, that function is called as function overloading. Function can be overloaded by changing the number of argument or changing the type of argument. Function overloading means in a program we can have a same function to perform different process. Here we can see the example program. So this is a program to find out the area of shape using function overloading concept. Here in this program, I am finding the area of a square, rectangle and a triangle shape. So this is the class definition. Class is a keyword. Shape is the class name. This is the scope, public scope. Here in this class, I am declaring three functions. One area, and here is also another area. Here is also another area. See, the first area, this function is, its return type is integer and it is having a single integer argument. And inside the function definition, it is returning s into s. So this function is to find the area of square. This is the second area function and its return type is integer. It is taking two argument of integer type. It is returning L into B. So this is to find the area of rectangle. And there is the another function area. Its return type is float. Int B and float H. So it is returning the area of triangle. The formula is of BH. 0.5 into B into H. See, the same function we are using to calculate the area of different shape. Here the function return type and the argument are different. So this is the concept of function overloading. This is the main function. Return type is what? Main. Clear. Shape is H. The shape is class name. Sketch is the object. This is the object declaration statement. Int SLB float H. These are the variable declaration statement. And cout area of shape using function overloading. This string will display in the output screen. And here we are getting the value of the sides of the shapes. S to get the side of area, L the side of square, L length, B breadth and H is the height value. So after getting the input, Then Cout area of square is, this will display on the output screen, and sh dot area of s, this is the function calling statement. It called the function that we had declared in the class here. So it maps which function is having the same type and the same number of argument. Here this function is matching that calling statement. So compiler will execute this function and return s into s value here and it print the output. And this second statement, Cout area of rectangle, it print the output. It print the string in the screen, and sh dot area lb, this is a function calling statement. It called the function which is matching with the two integer argument. So here this function is matching int l comma b, and it is returning l into b. And another statement, area of triangle, sh dot area of bh, this is also a function calling statement. It called the function which is matching with the integer, with a integer and a float type. This function is matching. This function, it return this value half into b into h, and this is the output of this program. Area of shape is using function overloading. Enter side value 3. 3 is the side value of square. Enter length value. Length is 5, breadth value is 4, height value is 6. Area of square is this one. 3 into 3, 9 square. Area of rectangle is L into B. So that is 20 square unit. Area of triangle is half into B into H. 24 into 0.5 is 12 square units. I hope you can understand this program clearly. And then the second example under compile time polymorphism is operator overloading. The process of making an operator to exhibit different behavior in different instances is known as operator overloading. So here we can use the operator to overload the different types. The meaning doesn't change. The types of operator overloading are unary operator and binary operator. So unary operator means an operator can evaluate with a single operand. These are the unary operators: increment operator, decrement operator, tilde and exclamation. Binary operator overloading, this operator can have 2 or more operand. Arithmetic operators and the relational operators or the binary operators, these are the operators that can be overloaded. And we can see the example for this operator overloading concept in the next session. I hope you can understand this session clearly. Thank you.